in the ICT field?
Okay, I would say that they have introduced AI to us. The AI, it helps us to learn, do research, and also learn how to do typing on it. And when you come to the ICT lab, the teachers get their time to teach us how to type and how to go into the computer.
So far, then what me skills ben or what me do say so work as a way no meet me aye or ICT field.
Okay, I can type and do animation. Yes, do design and also maybe draw something on the computer.
Oh, okay, that's nice. Next time, remember what draw be na mashe. Okay, do you believe say ye hear a ma bebre or ICT field name?
Yes, please.
Okay, why do you say that?
Okay, well, they used to say that boys are the ones that they have to go to school instead of the girls staying home and do house chores. I don't see that to be good. So now the girls, they are coming out, being engineers, going out to learn computing, learning how to fix computers and the rest. And I see that as girls are improving in the computing sector. Yeah.
Do you see that? Do you think that in the future, no, yebinya a ma bebre, and how do we encourage them to also take up the ICT subjects?
Okay. Yes, we get more there. And I encourage them to just focus on it. And now the computing is on than the other jobs that you have been doing. Now, most people don't use their hands to create things. Rather go on the internet, learn how to do it. So I encourage them to just focus on it. They'll get something out of it.
Thank you so much. My name is Susanna. Thank you. God bless you. Yeah. Yenya checheni bako ha. Yepese yene no echuchu nkomo kakra. Ansana yene no beko studio pone yene no akodi nkomo no. Madam, mbacho udi
from Araba Binney. But my from Miss Binney.
Miss Binney. Miss Binney pacho. O sha sese which are there wo Eyifua St. Mary's Basic hase no enfie seni.
Eyifua 4 years. 4 years now, but Macha is for close to 9 years.
Just say what shall they for in all your experience no ICT as a subject basic schools yeah I mean from basic school level no saying.
Oh, it's very interesting and very important at the basic level no. So if we get students to learn from that level, it helps them a lot. It's very important. It's just like the basic needs are in here. Computing is very important for the basic level students. Yeah.
Yes, celebrating International Girls in ICT Day. Do you think important and whom here say you be celebrating BBS?
Oh, very important, very, very important. And maybe I had 4 years. Every year we celebrate that. We do that. We call all the girls together. We do activities in computing. And it's very good. It's very important. Yeah.
Okay. You ever say no bedi nkomo bebre na what church ni mumu say ne course ne details na nkasa no o de amaye nti no emrepam no ye beto nsa afro ye da se. TV yedin ba ko obetimi dia afre ne ye ose ade yo isan say ye se a ye yo ye kan say de Miss Araba Binney ebeba studios ne na bedi nkomo an anope ye de naba Miss Araba good morning ya maachi
morning
hope say bibia e fine
nyame adom bibia e fine
edanya nkopon ase but we say only Miss sisters so e bae we ye Susanna and Georgette ye ba mu na Aquah-Amoah. All right. Coastal TV Morning Mix Thursday edition. Yes, I said the question was say no a International Girls in ICT Day. A day be I celebrate and then they are celebrating and on the 23rd of April 2026. The same thing for every year. Na ne sent no and you call Eyifua St. Mary's Basic School. ICT center wo ho na ye ne chechweni ene ni students no ekobo nkomo wi na ye san so eno ma betena se e wo fia se na Mr. Araba ye ba be share nkomo na se no ene ye focus ankasa girls and also say women in ICT by be share say free JHS level no because hona momo want ye can specifically for the JHS level ye no di nkomo no na o che say watch there for 9 years but seba no Eyifua there what na for 4 years into no question about come me person me bisa on say since I was here with this ICT training now for let's say 4 years in Eyifua no improvement say no women and as a girls participating in ICT lesson in one what improvements woman.
Oh yes, a lot of improvements from year 1 no. And I say most of the girls are timid in class like what further what be someone or class maybe someone and boys in here very active. First year na me be na me hun dabno so me changing my way of teaching it. To get the girls involved, I decided to always group them, boys versus girls, and me started them and they were all getting involved. Will get involved in every activity because at the end they will be tagged as girls and yayazi and boys.
Okay. And is there a competition?
Yes.
Okay.
Every time class competition, my girls and the boys and the girls, they really picked up from there. And men come from tomorrow last year. BEC, the younger girls they had 1, 2, and 3 in computing. Yeah. But in fact, 4 years. It has been challenging, but improvement happened.
Challenging aspects in the but in the meantime, no, Mami Bisa say currently, we are seeing a economy. There new things are coming, new tools, ICT tools are coming into the system. More level, no, more focus. Digital skills are more students is Siano, Binney, is it coding, is it information literature, then I'm watching at this moment.
Okay, at this level, the basic skills of knowing parts of the computer, knowing the basic programming terms, knowing how to use the productivity softwares, only and focus. And with tools I use, or you're limited, resources and you're very limited, but into with productivity softwares and like Excel, PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, use opportunities, other subjects teachers one presentation because when you how to use them productivity softwares, they use it for their presentations instead of the robot as in paper do we be in a class anymore can they use the computer to do their presentations into tools and they are limited by my one you use
tools limited
but
in terms of so say about no practical aspect now. What you say more competition every now and then, and me just say exams and so of course every time be and so. What are the practical aspects? And apart from the competition, any exams, what are the practical aspects?
Practical is like learning how to type. We have software. Mavis Beacon is at their level. The Mavis Beacon we use, and because you're limited, computers are school or very few now I say, but a crow or I group them, then they take turns to use it. My I use for typing. Then with Excel, using the computer to calculate and all that. So Excel na use as and also computer career. But programming no, na being to me practical because you know and zama hence terms na use processes na use no theory na but practical is bida.
Say Osha say Eyifua you realize that most of the girls don't more timid, so you had to change your teaching style and all that. You were building confidence. Obia or naturally or interest in that so based on but or lack confidence no it is oboa na eno betimi obekọ nanim but obi so ha interest na ompe me bisa say is it something say omo interest in dada but now omuntimi express omo here on the confidence side and also say even though you've done your best but some of them are still not interested in the subject at the same. Okay.
Bebrena na woni interest and their previous teachers were all male.
Okay.
In particular me ben it changed it. And some madam cried to share computing computing. Now why can't I also do it? Into just looking at me no crampo enough and from there giving them the opportunity to come out. You give them the chance. The boys they have interest already. Why the boys are curious. They always want to find out something, but girls into them. But say one environment, they create an environment very, very conducive. They just come out and talk. But many can say there will be no more still. Yeah, but interest na no. Some are just learning for learning sake. Others too they come to me and they go like they want to do programming in SS, what way computing or SS, into one course and one choose and we have a lot of branches in computing. They come, they sit me down, they will be telling me what they've done at home, then I also guide them. They've developed the interest looking at me and the environment I've created for them. Then others too, they are also picking, but you've been one there, but
it's understandable.
Yeah,
it's understandable. Once any nanny go the same direction, you will go left, you will go right. But at the end of the day, at least something small for the road.
Yes.
Now let's talk about success stories. Some of the success stories. Let's say a particular year group or a particular person. Bia, obesimi akase nipa we no. Na nka first no na onya de we ICT by so oya de and also be mpo na nipa ko no we school ekọ but you know the process how a nipa ko no gradually ultimately adapt it to the ICT subject no what's me near actually.
Oh yes, I have a girl, Gloria Isel. She's your university practice senior Oba Form 1. She was very shy. A friend couldn't answer question to take ages. And with time, I don't know, but she came to me and she told me that the way I stand in front of the class, teach, say, work, maybe work computer there, the way I may and very fast. And she admires the way our teachers bamo do any phone no that the madam I want ICT teacher fix me to my browse me to me a day and she likes it onya yanka. And I told her it starts from you. Where bakade or motumaye, ebutumaye. And Form 2 I realized Obia me ranking first 20 on doing baby. All of a sudden first 5 she was part. I was like wow. Then this girl is really looking up to me, so I have to involve her in everything that I do. It is a may typing even aside classes. I call her to just come and sit and watch. I give her the opportunity to go through whatever I'm doing, and she picked it up. God being so good. She was the best in class.
Wow.
She had 1.
Wow.
Boys in one in rugby shoulders. They couldn't get the 1.
Wow.
She stood out, and I'm very proud of her. I'm very proud of her. And that's one success story. And
oh yes,
Gloria did very well, and I can say that there are Nick juniors who are because she had 1. Make a class be a member where I tell them girls are making it. You are a girl, you can do it. And Georgette here, she started like that, but she had the opportunity or kofia or practice, and she's really doing very well. She's one of the best girls in class for ICT. They are doing very well. Those in Form 1, Wofi class 6 Ben and Nemo they issue but right now they are relaxed, they are doing well with computing, they are doing very well. But as I can 9 days to me more practical confidence in the papa, and I know by the time they get to Form 3, they'll be perfect. Yeah.
From time to time, I am more engaging external bodies and more money girls ne be interactor na in the ICT field na making.
Okay, not necessarily only the girls, but the whole class,
the
boys
whole class.
Yeah, we do that. Programming, no. Now the world is moving with AI, and without coding and stuff, you can't take part. So there is a group at UCC.
Okay.
They came to me and they asked that they want to engage the students. I gave them the opportunity, the whole school, and we've done that twice. Yeah, but we are hoping we'll get more. Yeah, when you go for external, it's costly. So
okay.
When they come up,
so Mankasaba.
Yes. So far, we've been having 1 or 2.
Yeah. In your experience, Obakasa, it's a matter of a mindset. And as I say, it's a thing. Say, be an ipakwandi ashana dream. Say, subject is with the maths. Obo ha shani dream some maths. Yeah, dance. We are the day. Opa ni dream crowd the book ni shema. Still, it's in your experience. Once you be just say your mindset being a what's it sana.
Yes, mindset. I'll use myself as an example. I started with home economics from SS and middle university. I see boys always with laptop. If I have a problem, I have to go and see them. You all bet sure no what child man. As this was always no being for pen to my head. That was my mind. It's like no. So being in to my head, Amazia equally I can also do it and even do it better. Then I decided to switch. I will learn this. Mrs. Samajan, it helped me. And now my computing and my master in it. And it's very good. Oh yeah, I know. Was actually anything they will bring in pen over to my head Amazi. Wanted them. But it's a sour journal you can do it. Gloria, I remember, Madam, why is no? I said it's from your mind. If you tell your mind, I can do it and do it well to work. And she succeeded. And so her mindset and computing is very easy. Just math, yeah, easy. But it's true. In time, the way was it show she has a bro nazi. Nancy Damazi, it just you let them feel free.
Okay.
Yes, psych on years. Then we let them practice it. Yes, you know, okay. I am our practicer. Yeah.
Let's talk about Nkolano or parents now. Do you think the parents are also creating that environment for students? You know, say omo be ya there in ICT, omo support omo students in the ICT subject now. Compared to other subjects.
Oh, okay. With computing, they automatically, because phones are banned and the parents will be able to smartphone. I think it's helping a little.
Okay.
Yeah, because why the parents on shut down cotton manaban, but on be using into say class yeah practice baby ma, but you mean your phone na messiah. They do. They help out. But some parents are a bit difficult because when you are one band otumoye I won't pedal was a gadgets as a bama one, but it helps. Some are helping them indirectly.
Okay.
They are helping. Wasn't the phone or your research. Just smartphone na kitana and the way I will scroll into me use. And they are learning all this in the classroom.
Okay.
Parents and I've been put to me use one band na work one. Yes, and see, some are indirectly helping, but others too, I can tell you, they've bought laptops for their kids at Wokofia, they use it. And see, I'm on assignment, they do it at home and bring it. Most of the chats in our lab were done by the students themselves. Then we go out and print it and hang it there.
So the workers, students, we have more parents and say, "My dear, I'm going to phone the baby." Maybe that's yes, so as a teacher, see. So, even though chronic phone no other baby phone so, but how do we also dissuade them? Kolano say, "Me mom find nyema enfam faswo enfam mrewo."
Yeah, baby, I catch on one, but curiosity. With my boys like this, they are always ahead of us. Yeah, they Rebecca John. And now syllabus now you're using some things are in it, you can't swerve it, you have to teach it. Recently we're learning hacking techniques.
Yeah.
it is for a good purpose.
Okay.
But some will take it otherwise. You can't stop it. But we are teaching the good part. But ebenya 1 or 2 be woman. I really want to try it. I want to do it and see what will happen. So you catch on parents about PTA, you catch on monitor what your ward is using the phone for. Share history. I PTA meeting. Mampo me share how eboko history na ko share. Ne hwaza wo banumpo or share. Then me share one security measures wobotum apply wo phone do. E banning to ko beyond our parents and bepedo oye phone do.
Okay. Okay. Then that's good.
Yes.
That's good.
The PTA meetings yeah the Amazon.
That's good. Yeah. Susanna, bravo.
I tell you.
I was so the way I dress is sharp, no. I like your dressing.
Thank you.
Oh, madam, I can't say baby, but I don't know if I should say. Category of uncover no, or yet me no. I found Kawana.
Yes. Well, now practicals to do back then in primary, and so we didn't really understand it. Me say, what child you know your practicals or you don't show something, I won't understand unless you do some practice and how you did it for me to understand. So I was a little timid, but when I came to GHS, then I saw that there is practicals and the teacher ought to know and I say step by step. Yeah.
So teacher teaching method no so ebwa ana okay, with a practical aspect, no?
Yes, please.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. How do you see your grades, no? How are you improving, no?
Okay, I see it to be good.
Okay.
First I didn't really do good in computing. All the subjects I'll get below 50 and I'll say that when you're below above 50, but this time the computing will come at just like 30s day. And I said that when you're 30. So when I came here I'll be doing good with the computing.
Okay.
This time maybe I don't really get bad in computing. I go up.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Keep it up. Pass the mic to Georgette. You're doing someone then Bibi, are you okay?
Yes, please.
And if you chat ama. Bet me ama me your tea plug of here, so bet me a trivia. How are you also doing?
Something great in you.
I'm also fine. Thank you for asking. Yesterday, your babu school where you be doing come on and there was answer about him. Now, many I also me found category of people na no me yet me no one. Bet me do account.
Yes, please.
Okay, what is your story?
My story is that from class 1 going, you see, most of our teachers were male computing. They will just come and stand there and start teaching. They won't allow us to really do practicals. Sometimes, unless it's free time, like library, before you can even get to use. But that one, you need to ask permission. Most of them, they will not allow you. So until I came to Eyifua, yes, then I saw my madam, Miss Binney. She started teaching. With her standing there alone and teaching, it's made me feel like, yes, computing is not only for boys. As to girls, we can do it because they say that what boys can do, girls can do it and do it better. So with her standing there, it really made me get that confidence that I should also do computing. So sometimes she'll just be in the staff room and we'll come and ask, Madam, can we go to the computer lab? We want to have practicals. She agrees. We'll be having practicals, typing, using productivity software, like to make documents, to make presentations. And as she said, if they give us a group work, we use the computers to do our group work. Yes.
Would you say it's about the gender na say the specific person and the teaching method the person applied, no? Or you can say because somewhere males is normal to say.
Because the way the males they teach is different from the way the females they teach. As for our computing teachers, the males, they'll just be teaching it so fast and like even if you understand or you don't pick, they'll still continue. But with our females teachers, they relaxed. They take their time on you. When you make a mistake, they correct you in a good way so that you remember that this, when you did this, it was wrong. So the next time you won't do the same thing. You do the correct thing. It's the way they teach. That's what made me come up with the confidence.
Okay, so it's not really about the person's gender.
Yes,
Okay, then that's good. Male teachers, no, yes, someone to why. When you're patients, more students, no, when it's been pay subjects, no. What program or course do you want to do in SHS?
First, SHS, I thought like we can do computing as a normal course, but they said it's no more there. So unless you choose science and you divert into computer science or you do elective computing. I've been talking with my madam here that I want to do computing, but they are forcing me to do science.
Also, they are forcing me to do science. Okay, I'm sure by the time we do that level, say you want to select your schools, no. Now you've had a lot of conversations around this, so you know your way around. You don't have to worry about it.
Okay.
Pass the microphone to Susanna. Susanna, what do you also want to do? A course that you want to do in SHS? Science.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it for the same reason or a different reason?
No, different reason. I want to be a medical doctor.
Oh.
Yeah. And I want to add computing to it. So it's not the time that I go and sit in class for learning when I go to the university. I sometimes have to go to the internet and also learn from there.
That's true. I think I should take your number so that in the future I can come and look for you at the hospital. Protocol. Protocol. I don't need to saw lines and saying. That's good. So you are saying it will help you in the future career. You don't have to bother yourself worrying people. You can do it yourself and all that. Okay. There's something new in the system. It's not just computing. It's called AI.
Yeah.
Have you heard about it?
Yes, please.
How do you think you can use that one too?
Okay, well, AI, it has a negative and positive part.
Okay.
And for me, I will take the positive part too in my studies.
Okay.
I will make sure the AI play a good role in my life. I will do a good with the AI. I will do search for work and do some search for things that I don't really understand. So I'll just go and my search for the answers. When I get it, I just put it on.
That's good. Meaning say, oh madam, what can show? She say AI nankasa. I search it. Me can show say AI can make mistakes, so you need to cross check and check again. Your madam will tell you that. Yeah. Okay. Madam, Miss Binney, Mami Sambra, yeah, kasa earlier on. Now kasa challenges be kakra bi wo ho. Ubetimi ebie so ache.
Okay. Challenges in here. Practicals, no, we lack it. We lack that. My school, the first year I'm a bar, then we went for a quiz competition, girls in ICT, and we won the computers.
Oh wow! Congratulations!
Thank you. And we've been using that all these years. But maintenance and servicing, we don't get any help with that. All of them are spoiled now, so we have only one surviving computer now. That's what we are using for over 79 students in a class. There's just one class, and it's very challenging. So we have a projector, so these days we project it, then but having hands-on activity is a challenge because we have just one computer. Yeah, so mostly I tell them, those who have it at home, when you go, you practice. And the second challenge is the programming that has been introduced. It has been introduced, but there is nothing. Yeah, the tools. We don't have one. We don't have a kit. No, not even one for the teacher to even use. So we wish the government will help with that, or NGOs, or anyone who is into IT, or anyone who can help us. We've done that on our Facebook page, the school's Facebook page. We put that up, and whenever we have a program at school, we try to convey that message to our visitors or those who are there to help us. All students, we've informed them, and as a staff too, we try, if someone has something that can be used to support, we do, but it's not coming.
It's not coming.
It's not coming. Yeah. We are praying and hoping.
We are praying and hoping and also calling.
Yes.
Mama bet me a born in Mama Dena. Eyifua St. Mary's Basic School, once and the came. At the Sonia dear, I want the best Sonia dear, about ICT, especially now. I'm going to be crying. I'm young as I make a lab. It the many crochet, single one, echo computer na akano nya mi kasa mi hu yan kasa je say the students in the bar this one nyina be share madam ho so person mo nhwe bibi e wo TV ni so ana so this a project ansa no mahu but computer dey ye share na akasa so o practice e wo eno asa na yesu computer with theory and ntina me time na me ICT because now papa no obe kasa sa you can go yen because yen projector ni projector
yes
ona kasa da kasa sa we are as a class test. A baby has said, I'm a failure for talk. We fail so why a member. A man, the cardio. In the Esremo, one some will be a mobit me Aboa, Ama Eyifua St. Mary's in your computer, say laptops crown out the bar. Yeah, Beji. Now it's me, they are share and Kalana, the end of programming tools. And then tools bends and I'm here.
Robotic kits. Robotic kits, so that we can help us to learn the robotics better because in our syllabus any theory part of is like it's a part of the body, you know, the head, the hands, but so part of the robot is controllers wheels
wow
yeah can I was say now you say robot here a movie but we don't have it.
Wow.
Yeah, so we do it in abstract
and also Tremo aboa from room na mo meboy na Eyifua St. Mary's yen so enya computers na eja menya projecting programming project bia na me dia fa Eyifua me sure students ni be ya ma
help you
see yes Tremo mo ma na mo meye mo yo enkomo no bebi eju ni ye me no ya so anesa nti ye be na ya sorry so na say encouraging girls in ICT enkuhia yentino Madam Binney me say ameno kase students bi a onu class mpo na o hweye ne ho chire no ICT subject no find it very very difficult but me young so anko besimi aye ne nkofo bia asambe na akache
me can say it starts with you.
Okay.
I always say be difficult. So what I show say you start with your mind. I can do this. Me too my so what's me failing for my son my with computing you have to keep trying.
Okay.
You keep trying and it will work one day. I also started but me started I correct myself. I do it. I feel I correct. Obefa. And no matter how it is, only baby ampa, keep practicing. Keep practicing. My husband will be a phone. The phone now, abano. Baby, I bet you'll be a without the laptop, I can do it. She said, "Nipakrono, so we osina jinipido butumaye. Nothing can stop him or her. But girls in a zip." To the mom, Macadabia, my to my young cousins, I be able to my I think they should do it, keep trying, and it will work.
It will work. Okay, Susanna and Georgette, remember Mohona so mama, my colleagues' motivations, kakra, or maybe ICT. But Madam Benjamin, Miss Anso, Visa away so. So now students know air canon. Sometimes it's about the style of the teacher in our me personal experience. It's about the style of the teacher in our channel. On the woman many but yenya chance and see a best son there yenya nisa. Inti I for teachers are they are not applying the principles of teaching very well. In ICT specifically, no. What do you have to tell them?
Okay, Imagine there is a mouse, some for doing sumna. the fact that the word is mouse now also. Inya butara na ide inya azay and so do singima into me and patience and love. A friend I try as and say inya no butara a bit training behavior. So you what I'll tell my colleagues is that the first thing is patience. Ibinya butara nezache azano. Na in your door, because when you are in the training to me training, so he has not saying you know that on ye. Now, family trainers are so only who do, so that will never or fall in love with it. And so, can be able for that, but fall in love with it, you have to do it. Even if you have to go outside, one lesson plan and I know you have to, because I mean, aiming a day, I want every girl child to be in the digital world.
Good.
And to be and I'm born outside my class. I do that. So even after school hours, I still talk to my students. Yesterday I was on phone with Georgette, where because she's preparing for BEC, we are still learning. So even aside the classroom, we do. So my colleagues, they should have the love and patience and take their kids through it.
Susanna. Me ba ho. Say wa prepare notes na wi notes am ka say so why okay. It's no person say me your colleague Mr. colleague me your classmates na me person me nsu ICT person me nsu na but I don't know me nsu cry nko. What do you think you can say to help me na me ICT nsu na for you?
Now, my advice to you is that you have to pay attention. Teacher tried your class, so you just have to focus and listen to the teacher. And also, anything that you are doing in class that is about computing, you have to engage. And if you don't understand anything, also co-teacher could be say, oh, madam, wait a minute, ask you. Then he will teach you how to do it. And with the teachers too, they have to have patience with us. So that when you go, let's say you're done with your class and you're free, and a student comes to you that, oh, madam, work with your mental state. You have to be patient. Not like you're free, so with the corner, and when I come to the class the next time, I'll teach you. And you forget. So you have to just be patient and you teach the child how to do it.
That's it. Watch yourself with Susanna. Pass my Georgette, mommy. Okay, Georgette. Also, something I'll catch classmates be ICT subjects. No one should answer. I say.
Well, I'll say ICT is not that hard. They should remove that thinking from their head that it's hard. They should put it there that at least if I try, I can do something with it. So if the teacher is teaching, they need to really focus on what they are teaching, because in our computer lab, it even says that I can explain it to you, but I can't understand it for you. So they need to sit down, focus on what the teacher is teaching. If they don't understand, they should just raise up their hand, because every time Madam finished teaching, she will ask any questions. They always ask any questions. So if you have a question, don't feel shy. If your friends are sitting there, their hands are not up. Some of them, they don't even understand, but they're just sitting down. So you should come out with your question. Sometimes the question you even ask, your friend who doesn't even know wanted to ask the same thing but can't say it. So you have even helped your other friend. Yes, so that's how I'll tell them that they should not put that in their head.
Thank you very much. Madam Binney, come in with you, but if you enforce this, I'm going to
Oh, no problem.
And Mission ICT. Me BBA computing programming idea. Not that person me what are some of the future career opportunities are about me aboard me just to encourage me now means ICT. Okay.
I'll use myself as number one.
Okay.
A computing teacher or facilitator, which is very good.
Yes.
We have software engineers, programmers. Okay. Right now, they are the ones chopping the money.
Yes, a
lot. We have a lot. We have hardware technicians, software engineers. Okay. A lot. We can't list them now. A lot of them, and women are branching into all these. We have a lot of Ghanaian women going into all these sectors, and it's a big world when it comes to IT. It's a very big platform where you can earn a lot of money. Yeah, so in the near future, my girls, I know I'll get a lot of software engineers, a lot of them, because whenever we are doing any productivity software, the way they engage themselves, I know they will become great programmers and bring up apps that will help the country as a whole. Yes, so yeah.
Miss Binney, yeah, that's the part. When you hear what I say, oh. But that's so kaipa. Yo. Celebrating no any. Obi anya na oye awo teacher. Some boy student now I'm so open say own venture into ICT abomodia na hu ni say bibia ni where impossible. Say na no use your phone boy to me fa epokoko ni mu a. Also betimi aye bibia everything is possible. Ne here say we try. You never know whether say we betimi or say we ntimi. So betimi. Into no anopay mama fast that kese enso ma aboafo bi aso yasen. Coastal TV morning mix Jumedie Thursday edition ni na National Petroleum Authority there. Debia amuso emo mukita emu se echiche yetu ye nan a na omatiem na ene se omosi enka nche se use gas. O use gas no so na o bo ho ban se petrol tanker bia enya accident a anopay se na CEO Godwin digital maklo kanu se petrol tanker enya accident a email se wo kwa akoso petrol ni bi anase diesel ni bi pa just say wom accidents gone to so no kwa na obete enko akotwe phone se wo kwa akotwitwa mfoni wo kwa akotwitwa videos nya nkwa na content creator pe baby natena ye na ye mo ye ho ban na aseda ni bi nso enko men's hardware and finishes aseda ni bi nko ma men's hardware and finishes almost say bibia wo hia de be siesie wo dem fiti paint ekopem electrical appliance home appliances na no ko ha onsa be ka bi now they siesie wo fie na aye anikanika fefe efe aseda di ho no enko ma the taste cake services eduane na de sei eduane a wota wonu hu da on say osika san say eduane ne de editwem omusan so eye for events o oye wedding birthday event bia outdooring bomodia na fo wani chirem ewo the taste catering services on sabaka eduane papa na de asoma hoho na say no mo kwa no mo to oye yidwom no mo bodin san say wo mo eduane pa ahodin wom eno the taste honkwa na ubenya no Nestor Ventures esi yankancho se eye kitchen ho na opese we siesie eye home appliances from fridge to frying pan to a dancing to bibia living room ho lighter ho chandeliers TVs open and kese yet say Coastal TV studio on sabeka ewo Nestor Ventures almost nye uhie bia no koho na onsa beka no fefefe disa o say gift bia wo hwehwe e dia ma odofo no disa na Thursday edition no ye de ebrewo yes also the aseda eni kabia aseda ye tene so aya sorry aseda ye ntimi nsoa ye de ma ye team aye ne eno mo eye adwuma enei na honorable indefatigable AJ Thomas AJ ya mi shop na akopọ mo abotire so asamba ne onya boase na aseda ne bi nso enkoma ben a obo ye chidom from far aseda enkoma ankasa from far eni enyina no de bia it doesn't matter what you are doing anajo 11 p.m. na me na 30 sounds like you just stories and na ye morning miss Juma na ye adwuma nyina e Coastal TV yeye entia na me boss Omar bin Abdallah ena she dwumadi ase aya ba besi san pempenso ya meda so te he ya meka say midin e de AFIBA ESSIEN sananka wo so me bo odi na me refi am pacho fa che me e ya na memory ni e fa sometimes me didi ya no pay yo na ye ba be story dwumadi no so na minim madam Binney so obi wo ha be pese obechia na ansa na ye nya ne sa Susanna ni Georgette mo pese mo nchi obi a ebedwu mo so na machi obi
okay make sure my headmistress Miss Gifty Safwa Eyifua staff Madam Sophie, Madam Jackie, Madam Della, make sure obi my students nyina
okay
yeah
yo Susanna obet share obi
My headmistress and all the teachers in our school and my parents as well. I hope they are watching me.
Oh, they are watching you. I'm very sure they are watching you. Georgette, what about you?
I would like to greet my mom and my dad at home. Yes, my cousins and everybody afar who are watching, especially my grandma who wants to see me on TV one day, and to the teachers and the headmistress in school. Yes.
You came with I remember Sonia, I remember Anifa, I can't Judith, and I remember Judith. So God bless you all for making it to our studios today. We hope to have you more often over here. Nyamisha muina. Etefoni ashefoni adofoni obi a wo hwe yin. Coastal TV morning make you media no. It's a wrap and a